Let's learn phrasal verb and slang.
Jam on. Phrasal verb. Listen. Phrasal verb, jam on.
Apertar ou pressionar pedal ou botão com força, colocar ou vestir algo rapidamente, tocar música de maneira improvisada.
Done, and it's much easier to put the jam on top, and you put the
and jam on the accelerator. If somebody hadn't told you where the brakes are and how to apply them.
It wouldn't have been anything. It was just a jam on stage, and it wouldn't have come into a song, except that, I don't know if it was you or...
So, shall I put jam on it? I taste it.
Use that? Sure. I know people put like mint kind of like jam on like meat, so maybe this would be good on meat, or to be used as more of like a savory kind of jam.
But this has just like a layer of tart jelly or jam on the top, and that really just hits the...
I will play NBA Jam on a GameCube with Andre Paul.
Sounds amazing.
We have a game?
It's going to jam on those as they bind in their slots. And the poor old guy...
She jammed on the brakes before hitting the fallen tree ahead. The driver jammed on the accelerator, leaving everyone completely behind instantly. He jammed on the emergency brake, avoiding a dangerous highway collision today. Sarah jammed on the pedal, escaping the flooded street before sunrise safely. The cyclist jammed on both brakes, avoiding the playful puppy immediately ahead. He jammed on his jacket before running outside during heavy rainfall yesterday. She jammed on her boots before entering the muddy construction site carefully. Tom jammed on a helmet before joining the exciting motorcycle parade downtown. They jammed on warm gloves before climbing the freezing mountain together early. Maria jammed on sunglasses before facing the bright afternoon sunshine comfortably. The musicians jammed on together, creating unforgettable melodies throughout the entire evening. Friends jammed on, happily entertaining everyone at the neighborhood festival tonight together. Our band jammed on confidently despite unexpected technical problems during rehearsal yesterday. Everyone jammed on enthusiastically producing fresh musical ideas without any preparation beforehand. Talented artists jammed on freely inspiring younger performers watching nearby attentively every moment.
Let's learn slang.
That new sports car is a real head-turner in the city. He is street smart and knows how to survive anywhere. My grandfather still has a very sharp mind now. I cannot think properly due to sudden brain freeze. My mind was blown by that amazing magic trick. Choosing this option is an absolute no-brainer for us. Sorry, I just had a brain fart and forgot everything. Please do not space out during this important meeting. I clocked it when he tried to hide his mistake. I called it correctly. We won the championship today. Everyone saw that coming from a mile away easily. I definitely did not see that shocking plot development coming. The movie had an incredible plot twist at the end. Life threw us a curveball we did not expect. His comment came completely out of left field. The fire alarm went off out of nowhere today. The news completely blindsided everyone in the office. The enemy launched a sneak attack at midnight exactly. That insult was a cheap shot, not a fair one. Take a shot and try to answer the difficult question. Fire back immediately if someone criticizes your work. You should hit back with strong evidence against him. They always go at it during the morning meetings. Do not throw hands over such a small disagreement now. They will duke it out in the boxing ring tonight. Our team will go toe-to-toe with the champions tomorrow. The two candidates will face off in a live debate. If you are angry, just throw down right here. They have had a beef since last year's competition. There is bad blood between those two old rivals. We need to squash it and move on peacefully now. Let us settle up our differences once and for all. Let us make peace and forget the past conflicts. Our old fight is now just water under the bridge. I will let it slide because it was a minor error. Brush it off and do not let it bother you anymore. Just shake it off and focus on your next goal. You need to let it go and forgive your brother. I have no hard feelings about our previous dispute. Go outside and cool off before saying anything else. This scandal will blow over by next week, hopefully. His words were spoken only in the heat of the moment. Keep your head up despite all the recent difficulties.